Hi, it's Stephen here for the Idiot Quilter, and I thought I'd share this quickie with you. I just finished my next quilt. This is the quilt I've been working on for a while. It's the one you saw me picking the stitches out of because I started to quilt it one way and decided after I got through one row or column that I want to do it another way. So I've got those done. I just finished binding it and pressing it. Now I was going to wash this one, but I'm not going to take my chances. I'm afraid the black may bleed into it. So I've ordered some of those die catcher sheets, but I'm not going to see those for probably about a couple of weeks anyways. But I think I'll just leave it alone. I don't think I'll bother to wash it. So my binding this time came out pretty good. I had one little problem with the binding on one part. It didn't quite catch the edge of the quilt, and I didn't realize that until I got finished. But I just tore that piece out and restitched it, and you'd never know. Well, you would know if you're an experienced quilter, but if you're at my level, you'd never know. And the back of this, I'll show you the back. And this is the back of the quilt. It's a solid piece of purple, kind of a mottled effect, and you can see my quilting lines. I just did parallel lines on this one. So I'm getting better, I think. This was made from leftovers from the zigzag quilt that I showed you some time ago. And so now I can move on to my next quilt project, which is the one that I believe I showed you the top to on my vlog earlier this week. And it's made with, half of it's made with my own designed fabric. So I'm really pleased with this. Just one more thing to do. I just got to sew my label into the back of it, and that one's done. Thanks for watching.